Pakistan's first satellite space mission iQube Qamar successfully reached the lunar orbit through China's Chang'e 6 mission. Once deployed, the satellite's subsystems will be thoroughly reviewed. Experts estimate that it will take around a week to verify all systems before the imaging system is operational, with the first images of the moon expected by May 15th or 16th. Lahore's GPO Chowk turned into a battleground as police clashed with lawyers attempting to enter the Lahore High Court during a protest. Riot police used tear gas, water cannons and batons to disperse the lawyers who were demanding the dismissal of a terror case and opposing the relocation of a court. Dozens were injured or arrested while negotiations between the groups failed. Punjab CM Maryam Nawaz urged restraint from both sides to ensure public safety. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is set to visit Pakistan this month to finalize trade deals under negotiation between Islamabad and Riyadh. Though the exact dates are unconfirmed, media reports suggest the visit will likely occur between May 10th to 15th. Air India passengers in Kerala and New Delhi were left stranded after flight cancellations on May 8th without immediate compensation. Frustrated travelers reported a lack of communication and seating arrangements. Air India Express attributed the cancellations to cabin crew taking sudden sick leaves. This disruption follows Tata Group's ongoing aviation challenges, including Vistara Airlines scaling back flights due to a pilot shortage. Russia warned that sending NATO troops into Ukraine could be extremely dangerous, closely monitoring a Ukrainian petition calling for foreign military intervention. The petition urges the US, Britain, and other allies to send troops to help repel Russia's invasion, but has yet to secure votes for President Zelensky's response. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov condemned the request, calling it a provocation. Rapper Macklemore previewed his upcoming song Hind's Hall, dedicated to Palestine and student protesters demanding a Gaza ceasefire. Named after the renaming of Columbia University's Hamilton Hall in honor of Hind Rajab, a 6-year-old killed in Gaza, the track echoes students' calls for an end to the Israeli occupation. He announced that all proceeds from the song will go to the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine refugees. Canadian police are investigating a pre-dawn shooting at rapper Drake's Toronto mansion, where a security guard was seriously injured by a gunshot wound. The attack occurred at 2:09 a.m. outside the gates, captured on unreleased security footage.